we also have a customer unloading points. So you can define here unloading point. Okay, so this is SGS1 UL001, and while creating your sales order, you can mention that what are the default unloading points. You can mention it here, and you can also mention it that if the multiple unloading points are there, at which unloading point you need to get this data. Okay, so what can happen that your customer, you're shipping to your customer. Now this customer plant is a big plant in a 20 kilometer of areas. I have seen that kind of big plants in steel, mining industry. So your product can be delivered to this area, to this area, or to this area. So you need to ask to the customer that now this truck is coming, this order is coming, whether it need to be unloaded here, whether it need to be unloaded here, whether it need to be unloaded here. And that information you need to get it provided. Okay, that information you need to put it into the sales order, that what is the unloading point. So if that kind of things is there, your big plants are there and it's going to the same customer, but it is having a different unloading points. That unloading points, you would be able to mention it here under the customer unloading points. Okay, you can mention what would be the default unloading point for the customer. That system will automatically take, and then you would be able to change it in your sales order. Then you would be also be able to define your shipping calendar. Now, what is a shipping calendar? It's basically a calendar. Here you would be able to define if you are getting on a particular days. Okay, in a particular days, this unloading point would be available. So you can create a custom calendar here, and then you can define that if the unloading point is this one unloading point is accepting a material on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This one, Thursday and Friday. And this is only accepting a material on Tuesday and Saturday. If those particular days are there on which your customer wants, so what happens that customer would be having a lot of deliveries coming to them, right, from the different vendors, and they can say that, boss, for you we have defined, you give me your material on Mondays, only on Mondays you deliver the material to me. Then you want to schedule your delivery, that when you want to when you're scheduling your delivery, the schedule should be like that the delivery should happen at Monday on this unloading point. Okay, so you can define a custom calendar. It can be ZUS, and in this custom calendar you would be having only one weekday would be ticked, which is Monday. So system will make sure that it schedule your sales order like that the delivery should happen only on Monday for this customer. So these calendars you would be able to set it up in the system, in the configuration.